Hey everybody, welcome to Bonfire Debates, or welcome back to Bonfire Debates. Today we have something a little bit different for you. We have an unboxing. You might wonder what's in the box, and I will tell you soon. But this is an opportunity that I got through my day job, and we get these loan units. So I will be upfront that this was given to me by Chromebook South Africa. And yeah, let's see what's in the box. What's it like? We'll go over the specs, and then about a month from now, I'll give a full review on the device. So you might be thinking, what's a Chromebook? Well, this pretty white box has the answer. In the box, we have a nice little envelope. What's in the envelope? Just some stuff for us to read and find out how these Chromebooks work. You might be asking, Ant, what is a Chromebook? Well, a Chromebook is a laptop, but it runs Chrome OS. What is Chrome OS? It's Android, but on a laptop. So if you've used to using tablets and cell phones, you haven't used Windows or Mac OS before, and you want a computer to do your stuff, this is Google giving you an answer for something that you might be familiar with and know how to use already. On this side, we have the charger. So much power. It's USB-C based, which is cool because if you get the right power bank, you can charge your Chromebook or laptop, if it's USB-C based, with a power bank, as long as it puts out enough wattage. That's the charger. Chromebook have also been very nice enough to give us a Logitech Pebble mouse. Now, if you go and buy your Chromebook, you can have to buy this one separately. This is just part of their user experience for us sales team to use it and see if we like it. All right, so this is a very good mouse. For some reason, the black one is 750 Rand, but the rose and white ones are about 650 Rand. And they're Bluetooth and USB dongle compatible. And they'll work in anything from a Windows machine to a Mac OS machine, and most importantly, on a Chromebook, which is cool. I think they even work on your tablet and cell phone as well, if you're that kind of person. Now, for the money shot. Wow. All right, so we've got a nice little sleeve. Again, this is something you would have to purchase separately from your purchase if you do decide to go out and get a Chromebook. The Chromebook that Chromebook South Africa has lent me is an Acer. I believe it's an Acer. What model is this? This is the Acer 713. It comes in a nice gunmetal gray. It is a 2-in-1 device, which means it does this fancy maneuver. And it can... Oh, it's coming on already. That's quick. It's touchscreen, and it has a stylus hidden away somewhere. I will tell you guys in a minute. We'll get to that. Alright, there's the stylus. Neat little pocket there. Just pulls out, and there's the stylus. Ooh. Alright, so you're probably wondering, okay, what's the specs of this thing? So the one that Chromebook have lent me is an i5 with, I believe, 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. We'll double check that when we get into the OS. But it does come in a Celeron version with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, or as low as 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage on the non-touch Asus and HP variants as well. I think we'll touch on price maybe when we do the review, because I don't know if price is really worth it. But as far as an unboxing experience goes, it's super nice. It's easy. Setup, super easy. Just got to log in with my Google account, or maybe Sian's Google account, because she's the one that's predominantly going to be using this, but I will also use it. Yeah. That's everything in the box. Let me know if you guys want a video on the setup. We can do that. Should we do that? Should we go for it? Let's go for it. Okay. Okay, so setup. Oh, audio is going to be very weird now. But setup is as simple as going, you turn it on. Came on in seconds, by the way. There's no waiting. We'll just say, let's go. We'll connect it to our Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Lift it up a little bit. Don't show the keyboard.
Look at the pretty outside.
Okay, so the Wi-Fi, we are connected. Let's go next.
Wait, people like dogs.
Yes, this is the petting zoo that we have. His name is Duke. That's Harley. She's our baby. And the beautiful little border collie you saw is Sir. I don't know where Sir went though. Okay, so we've got, oh, there's Sir.
There we
Hello, Sir. Hello. All right, so back to the setup. So you've got your normal terms and conditions that you'll accept. It's checking for updates. That was quick. I'm going to use mine, and then we'll set Cyan's up later. Hey, you're showing my password, you. Okay, so a note that this has a UK keyboard layout. I'll show you. What that means is there's a pound instead of a dollar, and there's inverted commas instead of an at, and the at is over here. But for the unit that you'll be buying, it will have a normal, well, normal for us in South Africa, US international keyboard. So the at will be in the right place and the inverted commas will be in the right place. From your other devices, no, I don't think so. So what else is it asking? Google Assistant, yeah, why not? I like talking to my devices. Continue. Agree, because we don't have a choice. You know, freedom is not free. Oh, okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Cool. All right, so setup is pretty quick. Related info, get emails. No thanks. No spam here. That is my phone. Oh, okay, cool. So you can unlock your Chromebook using your existing Google smartphone. That's pretty cool. I am going to sign up for that. And that's it. We're done. We're in. We're ready to work. So in a month's time, because I have the unit for about 30 days, I will use it and I will give you guys a full review on what I think about it. Is it good? Is it worth buying? Is it not worth buying? The unboxing experience is great. Super easy to set up, as you guys saw. And yeah, see you in 30 days.